Once blamed for cholesterol, eggs are now recognized as a weight loss powerhouse. One large egg has around 70 to 80 calories and 6 grams of high-quality protein. That protein controls hunger, boosts metabolism, and helps your body burn fat. Most adults do best with 1 to 3 eggs a day.
1. Large egg contains about 6 grams of protein and only 70 to 80 calories, making it an ideal low-calorie, high-satiety food. Protein plays a critical role in weight loss because it helps you feel full longer, reduces cravings, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and prevents overeating later in the day. Starting your morning with eggs instead of sugary cereals or refined carbohydrates can dramatically reduce hunger, improve energy levels, and create a metabolic environment that favors fat burning. So how many eggs should you eat per day for weight loss? Most nutrition experts recommend 1 to 3 eggs daily for healthy adults. 1 egg can enhance a meal's nutritional value, while 2 to 3 eggs provide a strong protein foundation that keeps you satisfied for hours. However, eggs should replace high-calorie processed foods, not be added on top of an already excessive calorie intake. Weight loss still depends on maintaining a calorie deficit, and eggs are most effective when used as part of a balanced whole food diet. For individuals with conditions like diabetes or heart disease, it's always wise to consult a healthcare provider. But for the general population, daily egg consumption is considered safe, beneficial, and effective when paired with healthy lifestyle habits. The real power of eggs comes down to how you prepare them. Cooking methods such as boiling, poaching, baking, or lightly scrambling with olive oil preserve their health benefits without adding unnecessary calories. On the other hand, loading eggs with butter, cream, processed cheese, or pairing them with bacon and white bread can quickly turn a healthy meal into a calorie-heavy setback. To maximize fat loss, pair eggs with fiber-rich vegetables like spinach, peppers, onions, mushrooms, or tomatoes. Adding healthy fats like avocado can further improve satiety and nutrient absorption. This combination helps you stay full longer, control cravings, and maintain steady energy throughout the day. Eggs are effective for weight loss because they support lean muscle, reduce overeating, regulate appetite hormones, and provide key nutrients such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and sustainable long-term, making them one of the best dietary tools for anyone serious about losing weight. By making eggs a foundation of a high-protein, nutrient-dense, calorie-controlled eating plan, you can lose fat more efficiently while maintaining energy, reducing hunger, and avoiding the feeling of deprivation that ruins most diets.